Failure is simply the opportunity to begin again, this time more intelligently. If everyone is moving forward together, then success takes care of itself. Anyone who stops learning is old, whether at 20 or 80. Anyone who keeps learning stays young. The greatest thing in life is to keep your mind young. If you think you can do a thing or think you can't do a thing, you're right. If there is any one secret of success, it lies in the ability to get the other person's point of view and see things from that person's angle as well as from your own. My best friend is the one who brings out the best in me. Most people spend more time and energy going around problems than in trying to solve them. It is not the employer who pays the wages. Employers only handle the money. It is the customer who pays the wages. Nothing is particularly hard if you divide it into small jobs. Competition is the keen cutting edge of business, always shaving away at costs. When everything seemed to be going against you, remember that the airplane takes off against the wind, not with it. Quality means doing it right when no one is looking. Coming together is the beginning. Keeping together is progress. Working together is success. You can't learn in school what the world is going to do next year. Chop your own wood, and it will warm you twice. It has been my observation that most people get ahead during the time that others waste. If money is your hope for independence, you will never have it. The only real security that a man can have in this world is a reserve of knowledge, experience, and ability. Obstacles are those frightful things you see when you take your eyes off your goal.